Okay, hold on. Check out the $10 miracle business opportunity. Folks, this little $10 program is going viral and it just got launched about 3 weeks ago. Okay. And a lot of people are finding this to be a very interesting, fun, and exciting opportunity. Okay. The simple $10 system is paying members on day one in a lot of cases. You're able to make a one time investment and earn daily, weekly, monthly, and well into the future. It's only $10 one time out of pocket to get started, okay? There are some upgrades, but that's optional. There's nothing mandatory that you have to do beyond that point. All right, it's a simple 1, 2, 3 step by step done for you program. I've got a 1 minute video that I want to share with you. And that's all you need to do is share that 1 minute video with people. And a lot of people are getting signed up as a result of the 1 minute video. Also, what I'm going to do for those who sign up with me is that I'm going to do a video for you. That's right, a done for you video that you can begin to use um, soon. All right. Soon after signing up, I'm going to do a video for you. And all you have to do if you want that video done is to contact me and let me know that that is the case. Okay. So I'm going to leave the link to the 1 minute video. Be sure to check it out and get started with the $10 miracle business opportunity today. I'm Terry Brown wishing you a blessed and awesome day today. Bye bye now.